So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking heavy and Express 60 mixing and fix guide. So fix 1 is perform a hard electrical reset. Go to your home's main electrical server panel. Locate the circuit breaker dedicated to the dishwasher and flip it to the off position. Leave the power completely disconnected for 10 full minutes to clear the control board memory. Flip the circuit breaker back to the on position. Test the unit by starting a beep cycle to see if the light clears. Second fix is clear damned control board panels. Turn off the dishwasher. Press search each button on the user panel one by one. Ensure each button click invert completely and pops back out. If a button feels mushy, jammed or collapsed, press and wiggle it firmly to unstick the switch. Third fix is clean the sump filter and drain basin. Open the dishwasher door and completely remove the lower dish rack. Twist the circular mesh filter counterclockwise to unlock and lift it out. Scrub the filter at the kitchen sink with warm water and liquid dish soap to remove grease and buildup. Inspect the sump hole for solid debris, broken glass or stringy food and remove any tapped item. Reinstall the clean filter by twisting it clockwise back into place. Fourth fix is verify the water supply and temp setting. Verify that the water supply valve to the dishwasher under the kitchen sink is fully open. Check that the hot water heater is set to between 48 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade. Run the kitchen sink faucet until the water is fully hot before starting a dishwasher cycle to prime the water line. Fifth fix is check the sink drain connection. Run the garbage disposal for 10 seconds to clear trapped food if the dishwasher drain into it. Inspect the flexible drain hose under the sink for a severe bend, kink or crushing. Ensure the drain hose is installed with a high loop to prevent water waste backflow into the water dish. Thanks for watching.